What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be doing a huge Danscomp unboxing. Just got these in a few minutes ago and we're going to go ahead and open them up. I don't know which one to start with. Let's start with this one. Alright. 2 pounds. Let's get this going. It's hard to cut this open with one hand. There we go. Break the seal. Alright. So we got packaging correct. We got this, which is my Protec helmet. That's the first package. Got the skate helmet, because nobody likes that garbage foam inside of all the other ones. Alright, let's see. Now for the other one. Okay. Alright. Next. Alright, let's go ahead and break this bad boy. Alright. Shit, it's stapled. Alright. Bye! Okay, so we've got all of this, which we'll get to in just a moment. Okay. Packaging. We got our Stranger Crooks frame. Bust that out in just a moment. More packaging. Alright, I got my forks right here. You guys can't see that yet, but I'll bust those out in just a second. What else? More packaging garbage. And sweet pack of Stranger stickers. Awesome. Alright. Anything else in here? Nope. We're good. Alright. We also got a integrated seat post bolt for the frame. We'll put it up here. Alright, in the bag. Got a Danscomp maintenance tips. That stuff. We got some Odyssey warranty registration. Good stuff. Thank you and all that, yeah. Got my receipt. Right here, I've got the Shadow Conspiracy Chula top load stem, 53mm reach. Got a shirt. Some Danscomp stickers. The Colt headset. And 2 integrated headset bearings. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up for you guys. Give me just a second. I'm gonna sit you guys down real quick. open this up. Started with that. And they really tape these up. They taped it here, 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 and it's all the way around it. So I have to cut through the label, I have to cut through everything. This is fun. Just a second. Almost done, almost done. Alright, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up so you guys can see it. Put my finger in there. Jeez. This box is harder to open than I thought. There we go. Okay. We got cardboard. Yay, cardboard. Okay. Alright, so we got the headset. Honestly, I did not know it came with bearings, so I kind of just ordered some more just to be safe. Got 2 different dust covers. Got some spacers. Good stuff. Always fun. And we got spacer ring. All of that. And a integrated headset race for the forks, if yours doesn't have it. Alright, set that aside. Got my 2 integrated headset bearings right here. Alright, now let's open up the Chula top load stem. Really hard to cut boxes open with one hand. Alright. Shadow Chula stem. Let's take it out of the package real quick. I was originally going to order the Stranger Haze top load stem, but it was out of stock. It's got the shadow engraving right there. Very nice. It's actually surprisingly light for what it is. Alright, we got that done. You guys probably don't care about my helmet. Let's go ahead and open up the forks. Hate this stupid cling wrap. Trying not to damn scrap straight forks. Alright, there we go. Okay. I got the Odyssey R Series forks with the 32mm offset. Also, in case you guys didn't know, the main reason I got the 32mm offset is because my favorite car, the Nissan Skyline GTR. My favorite type of GTR is the R32, so not really any specifications as to why I got the 32mm offset except for that, but whatever. So much garbage. Alright, let's get this frame out. Alright. So alright, we got the 20-inch Stranger Crooks frame. It's an awesome frame. I love the black with the silver. It's very nice. It's got a built-in seat post clamp. for now, I'm just going to leave it at that, and you guys are going to see next my bike check portion of the video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, real quick, I just wanted to run through real quick before I threw everything on. I got a shirt from Danscomp, 2 Danscomp stickers, stranger stickers, I don't know where my Protect, there, Protect stickers, integrated seat clamp, bolt, 2 integrated headset bearings, Shadow Chula stem, Colt integrated headset with few dust covers included and spacers, whatnot. Should come with everything, but they got my Odyssey R32, Odyssey R series forks with 32mm offset and a 20-inch Stranger Crooks frame and a Protect helmet right there. That's the overview. Hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for my bike check. What's up guys, I'm back. Start over here. I got the ODI nylon bar ends, Colt AK grips, Colt Quattro 9-inch 4-piece bars, Shadow Chula stem, 53mm reach. Got the 20-inch Stranger Crooks frame. I got the Odyssey R series forks with 32mm offset. I've got a Primo rim. I've got a fit tire, Colt Doomsday pegs, no idea what that front hub is. I got Odyssey pedals, fit cranks, 3-piece cranks, Colt pivotal seat, no idea what the seat post is, I'm sorry guys. I got a Haro rear tire, Shadow Raptor free coaster, Haro rim. I got the Fit key sprocket right there, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more of this, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Anything will do. If you guys want to see more, oh yeah, I forgot, I got a Colt headset, so feel free to leave a like, subscribe, do that if you guys feel you need to, or if you guys want to see more. I should have another package coming in real soon, and yeah, see you later.